Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of art with a focus on painting. Specifically, we're taking a closer look at what could arguably be the best round acrylic paintbrush set available in the market. Introducing the acrylic paintbrushes set by Auhoahsil. This set is not your average paintbrush collection. It's a comprehensive kit designed to meet the needs of artists at all levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. What sets this set apart? It's the variety. With 12 different sizes of round pointed paintbrushes, you'll always have the perfect brush for any painting project. Whether you're working on a large canvas or a delicate miniature model, this set has you covered. Now, let's talk versatility. These brushes are not limited to just one type of paint or surface. From acrylics to watercolors, from canvas to wood, these brushes can handle it all. They're even great for face and body painting, nail art, and crafts. The possibilities are endless. But what about quality? Rest assured, these brushes are crafted with premium materials. From the high-quality bristles to the sturdy wooden handles, every aspect of these brushes is designed for optimal performance. Plus, they're easy to clean and maintain, ensuring they'll last you a long time. So, if you're ready to elevate your painting experience, look no further than the acrylic paintbrushes set by Auhoahsil. With its versatility, quality craftsmanship, and customer satisfaction guarantee, it's truly the best round acrylic paintbrush set on the market. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy painting!